Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling the essentials: dependent ID, Echs card, and proof of relationship. This speeds verification. Once you have PDFs, log into the Echs portal with your credentials because the system requires an active session to accept updates. Make sure your email and mobile are reachable for OTPs, otherwise the update will stall. Now click Update Dependent, choose the dependent record, and upload the labeled PDFs. This is the first actionable move to trigger verification. Once done entering the dependent details, you must validate every field. Small typos cause rejection. Use the portal preview to check name spelling, DOB format, and relationship code. This reduces back and forth. After attachments are in place, submit the update and capture the reference ID because it's your audit trail. The system queues requests for manual verification. During this window, you can't make parallel edits. If an error appears, follow the on-screen hint and re-upload the corrected PDF immediately. You finish by monitoring the request status with the reference ID. The portal shows processing stages and expected days. Once approved, print the updated dependent record and inform the dependent to carry the new ID. If the update is rejected, read the rejection reason, correct the specific document, and resubmit immediately. That prevents delays. And if you face OTP or login failures, clear browser cache, switch browsers, or contact the portal help desk. That usually resolves authentication issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.